Good morning, I'm Steve Suski. I'm an architect here in Chicago. I'm 49 years old, and I am ready to be your next home transformer. Okay, I'm currently pulling up to an office building that I'm in the process of renovating. It's a 1980s building. It's very out of date, pink, mauve, everything you came to love about the 1980s is all being erased. So I'm going to meet with a contractor. Apparently there's some questions they have, and I am going to try to resolve them. That's pretty much what I do on a daily basis. Hey Tony, where are you?
Right here.
Hey, what's going on? I heard there's a problem.
It's called with two 42s. We only have one.
So here I am, my first part of the video, and I'm in a toilet stall, in a handicapped toilet stall in an office building in suburban Chicago. Not really the best way to start a project, but we're going to address this issue right now and see what we can do. Okay, we've only got one long and one medium, and we need two longs and one short. All right, let's take a look at what we've got. We've got to install one. You got to install one here, which is 36 inches above the floor to meet code. Okay?
Right.
You want to hold that one up and let's see if that one we have that's the wrong size actually will work for us. And it's actually looking like it's probably too big.
Right.
I think we need to go back to plan A and install the 42's back wall, side wall, and get the right 18-inch one, the vertical.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry I couldn't help. This is a large-scale photo mural that I designed for an office building. The lobby was very dull and uninspired, and the client wanted to do something that brought some life to the space. So I took a photo image of a leaf and blew it up and multiplied it 8 times across the wall. You can see it's 48 by 8. It's very large scale, and one of the tenants in the building told me that when they come in the morning, it actually makes them smile because it's so lively and inspiring. Welcome to one of my current office build-outs. This was a really fun project. The client, who has a contemporary art collection, asked me to design their new office, which incorporated the art and let the architecture of the space be a backdrop for the art. We did create some interesting features: partial height walls, indirect lighting, beautiful patterned carpet, to give it a really hip, young environment. We're in Chicago's Bucktown neighborhood. I'm here to take a look at an apartment that I just finished up. It's a contemporary loft with a fantastic view of the city of Chicago. Let's go take a look. This is the Bucktown loft located in Chicago. It's a large 2-story, high-volume space. The client wanted something clean, crisp, and modern with a lot of texture, but really minimal and understated. When I was hired, the building had actually had a fire. And the fire was so intense that it deformed the steel structure of the ceiling and the roof. So all of that needed to be rebuilt. And in the process, we had the opportunity to really reconstruct something that was much more within keeping of character of what he wanted. Welcome to Chicago's historic Wicker Park District. This building is a brownstone, which was built at the turn of the century. But unfortunately, the front porch was neglected over the years and needed to be reconstructed. A lot of the detailing had deteriorated over time, but the brick was still in good condition. So the bricks were salvaged, cleaned, and reinstalled, but all the stone components had to be newly carved and crafted to match the original. You can see that there's a seamless integration between the original brick building and the new porch. I'm in a Lincoln Park residence where a client asked me to take out a very small bar that he had that didn't work well for him and install a new contemporary bar. But one of the requirements, being a bachelor, was that he didn't want to look at the alcohol in the morning should he have a hangover. So I designed a stone panel door, which is counterweighted. It actually weighs 140 pounds. This door, with the touch of just a finger, raises up to expose all the alcohol, which you can see is artistically arranged. It's a pretty nice feature, and the client's very happy with it. Home Transformers, I am ready for any challenge you can throw at me. We've got a challenge here. I'm willing and ready to take it on. Let's go, let's move, let's do it.